Alright guys, RETROCENGO here. We have got an Amiga 4000 for sale. Let's just boot it up and take a quick look at how it runs, how it looks. And as you can see, when you turn it on, it will let you choose between games or workbench. And it has a countdown. You can see it counts the seconds down. You can choose workbench or games. If you just leave it, it will go into arcade game selector. And it has got perfect audio. Let's just go down to something, press enter. The Last Ninja, nice. Let's just choose something with great music. Oh, Lotus. There we go. All right. As you can see, this one has got a glossy layer on. That means the cabinet front has been painted. The back side here, as you can see, this one has not been painted, but it's in really nice condition. All right. So guys, yeah, we have got crystal clear picture quality. I mean, the picture is just so perfect. I love it, right? The audio, the audio is amazing on this Amiga. If you look here at the audio part, it's all clean. It has got new caps, so it has been recapped. The battery hasn't made a melting burn acid damage on the motherboard, so the battery has been removed long time ago. That's perfect. So it looks clean here at the battery area and recapped. Beautiful stuff. When I got this Amiga, let's press on break two times break. What it does is it actually resets the Amiga. So you can actually press pause break 2 times. Oh, let's go into workbench. There we go. And it will load workbench. You can either do that, or you can actually just press on Windows, and Control, and bam, it will restart again. So you have 2 different options to restart this Amiga with this keyboard. Let's choose workbench one more time. There we go. So if you want to reset, you just press pause break 2 times, bam, bam, and it will reset, or press on Windows, and Control, and it will reset. The CD-ROM drive doesn't work. As you can see, it wants to come out, but it can't. Let's see if the floppy drive works here. Yeah. All right, the first floppy drive is fine. Let's see the second one. That's fine also. Nice. So both floppies work. Painted here. CD-ROM drive is dead. It has got 68030 card built in there. If we go into Amiga test kit, let's see if it works. There we go. Memory, 2 chip and 16 fast RAM. Nice. And if you take keyboard, then you can see everything, all the keys, everything just works, right? So this beautiful keyboard is included. It's a very thin keyboard. It's BenQ and it's newly cleaned, and everything on the keyboard works. How does it work? You get this adapter also. It goes into a Commodore Amiga 4000, and you can put in any PC PS2 keyboard. You can also use this for CD32 if you want to install a keyboard. So that's included, and you can install all the PS2 keyboards you want to. Isn't that great? How do we go back with this? There. Video, yeah, RGB colors, perfect. And audio, yeah, audio is perfect. CAA test. Yeah, that's fine too. When I got this beautiful computer, I got a 68040 processor also. We have to check that also. Is there anything else we should test? Audio, video. Yeah. Other than that, it just boots. So yeah, it's a nice running Amiga 4000, and you have got all the games, everything is just in here. There we go. I love this blue light. It looks real nice when it loads. So it has got an ID to compact flash card, and it has got SanDisk Extreme 3 compact flash card, and it just works, guys. There's no headache with it. Nothing. The only thing it had was one of these RAMs were bad, so I just replaced the RAM. The old ones you can have them, but with the new RAM here and recapped everything, I'm telling you, great running Amiga 4000. Absolutely astonishing. Woo! Love it. Yeah, that's it, guys. If you have any questions, just let me know. As I can see, other than that, if you go in here, this one has got its fan replaced because it's very low noise. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but my other Amiga 4000, you can really hear it. But this one is low noise. It works fine. It works fine, but it's a low noise one, so that's nice. I love this, man. Really good. Audio quality is so good. And take a closer look again. Recap. And the Polar has got an extra cooler on. That's nice. It has got Super Buster 11. That's nice. Amazing audio quality. All right, included a 040 processor also. I just took out the 030, and as you can see, it has got an FPU also built in up there. So this one works great. When you put the 040 in, you have to switch both jumpers, and this one is okay. Let's give it some power and all right, so the 040 okay, the 040 processor is dead, but you will get that also. It restarts. Why does it do that? I'm not sure. Okay, so the 040 CPU is dead, but it's included. You will have it. If you can repair it, more power to you, or replace the CPU. Let me look at this board. It looks... is it 3.1? Yes, it is. It's the 3.1 version. I don't know. It looks clean, fine. Looks all right. Oh, this one has been, let me see, I think, yeah, easy to see. This one has been recapped. That's cool. It comes with original kickstart 3.1, the best kickstart in the world. So when we put in the 60030, then we have to move these to internal, right? That's about it, guys. Let me just install everything. All right, just installed the 040 on 030 in again. And this is for the hard disk loading indicator. There we go. 030 processor is in there again. The 040 is over here with a huge, massive cooler on. That's so cool. And with the 030, it has got nothing to do with the Amiga. So the trouble is over here. If you want it, it's yours. If not, I will throw it out of the window. No one cares. So yeah, audio. Oh, it's good. Wow, man, it's so impressive. So the CD drive, no one cares. Both floppies could read one of my discs. Keyboard is you can have this mouse also. Mouse is included. This keyboard is included. This front cover has been painted. Looks great, right? The case looks fine. Power doesn't have that high noise pitch. And left and right channel audio is just absolutely astonishing. I just looked at eBay prices and I was like, when these cost like 2,500 euros, I was like, wow, 2 years ago. And last year they were up at 3,000 on eBay. And right now, October 2024, there's one for sale for 4,000 euros, man. At Netherlands, 4,000 euros. Nice on eBay, check it out. So yeah,